Typhoid is a disease that comes from contact with human waste, and the main typhoid outbreaks that we've seen in New York City happened because of oysters, people eating oysters that were harvested in the city waters. The biggest one was probably 1924, 1925. And what happens is that if direct waste comes into contact with oysters as they are filter feeders, they filter in the toxins, and it doesn't really affect them. But then when somebody eats an oyster that has been fed by waste associated with typhoid, then they can obtain typhoid fever from that.
Typhoid was an epidemic in the early 19th century. People started to get really sick from oysters and nobody knew why.
It started when vendors started selling oysters in the early 1900s, and people ate them and became really ill of some sort of bacteria that the oysters had in them. These oysters came from the New York harbor, which is polluted.
Many people believed it was caused by oysters. The oysters were coming from the Hudson River, which was filled with sewage.
So we shouldn't be worried about typhoid because we don't actually eat any filter feeders from the Hudson River. And there's way fewer filter feeders anyway. So we don't harvest oysters in the Hudson today the way that we used to.
We can make a campaign so that people can help save the harbor and take care of our environment.